Alright, so this Thursday is going to be a little bit different. I'm still keeping up with my Christmas songs, Christmas carols, but I'm actually going to work on this one a little bit in front of you, so, and, and have some food as well, so bear with me. Okay. So this is actually a medley, and I'm just going to play a little bit of it to give you an idea. Well, that was unexpected. Let's start it again. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so let's just go over here. And we'll start it again. As you can see, my surprise here was supposed to be that I'm testing out the string ensemble, but clearly it has other plans. So again, I'm going to play a little bit of this piece here. Okay. Tried to make it sound like an iTunes preview there with a fade out. Anyway. So this is Manger. And it starts with Away in a Manger. Then let's do Angels We've Heard on High. And somewhere over here we have Infant Holy, Infant Lowly. Okay. So, once again, this is a 88 Ensemble, my favorite virtual piano. And I've done a few custom things with some EQ and compression and oh, I shut this one off. I think I limited it too much. Let's see here. Hear that? This just sounds more natural without that. But I keep it there just you know, just in case I want to do something with it later. So the main instruments are, of course, the piano, and then we have our legato strings from Expand 2. And so we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to tweak it a little bit. Now, I've done some custom things here. That's something I recommend. Always tweak with your effects or your instruments, because you can sometimes get them to sound better than they do just stock. In this case, I got a bit bigger sound out of the strings. So let's just solo the strings. So I just added some delay on there from Replica, favorite delay from Native Instruments. And then, of course, the Scarlett EQ. So you can see it's a times 86 bridged. And what that means is that Reaper is a 64-bit native application, but it allows you, through this thing they call bridging, to use 32-bit plugins. So that's nice, especially since that's such a nice EQ. Okay. But you know, well, strings sound a lot bigger, but I was thinking Native Instruments has this thing called String Ensemble. Now, this is just from the Essentials, and it's a demo version. So I thought I would try it, see if I could get a better sound from the strings. Now this is the strings for the that section right in here, where, let's play it. Now they're a different sound than the legato strings. So you hear the legato strings, and hear the bigger format strings. And even over here. You'll have to listen to the whole song to figure out what that is. The section. So I'm going to come over here, and we're going to say that we want to add an instrument. So come over here to Contact, and I'm going to pick this one, String Ensemble Essential. Okay, let's see. You have the different settings. Okay, we don't want that. Let's try this one. I like the tone of that, but it might be a little bit too slow. Let's give it a listen. Let's go ahead and turn off the expand, so we can hear just that. Oops, it's in the wrong order. Let's put it up front and center. Okay. that sounds way better. Just to do a comparison, let's go back to what we had before. Now it's the ensemble. Okay, all right, I like that. So now what we're gonna have to do, because these are demos, I have to move very quickly because they expire, just like this one did. So what I'll do is I believe I'll just remove it, and I'll bring it back. And this should work. Then I have to render it really fast, so okay, let's go with now if you notice, I trimmed the release down because okay, this one needs to be like this because this is the faster string passage. So let's hear it. Right in there. I like the way this is soft in the beginning, but it's just kind of... I'm gonna have to speed it up because this is a section where it moves, so... So now this is just a demonstration version and I'm experimenting. I don't know too much about these yet, so there's probably some more expression building that I can do to make that a little bit more coherent. But for now I'm just liking the coherent with the tempo of the rest of the project, that is, but for now I'm just liking the tones. So before these expire, I'm just going to go ahead and render this because I want to save an idea of the sound. So we're going to say with NI string Ensemble. Okay. And that's the right place to put it. Render one file. So this is how you do a mix down inside of Reaper. Very right. So we'll just wait for it. I will say normally if you're going to send your tracks to be mastered, you should probably have them at a little bit lower volume. This is really close to the top of the level meters there. It's pushing it, but there's no distortion. But generally you would get it that loud in mastering and not the way I just did it. So, okay, there it is. Okay, now that that's saved, I can at least go back to hear it later. So, okay, what else can I tweak with? I think I want to leave the Uilleann pipes there. That's also a Native Instruments from the factory library from the Contact player. And I really like the way it sounds in this mix. Let's see if we can still hear it with everything. Wow. Well, there's definitely some work that needs to be done. It's kind of not happy when I have it moving around so much. But that's it's like a first look at it, so I really like the tones I'm getting from it. So, man, it makes me almost want to beef up this taiko drum because it let's hear it by itself. Man, what's my velocity? Oh. Oh, it's an F. No wonder. Okay. I'm not feeling that. Let's try it. Let's try it here right now. Maybe at the lower one. sounds all the same. Oh, sound solo. Let's hear it. I have a feeling I'm going to mess this up, so that's why we have the MIDI editor. I just take this from, where's the F, and put it down to the C3. That sounds a little more beefy. Let's see if that works. Oh, unsolo it. If we're really concerned about the note, we can take that and then oops. Okay, let's back to the F. Okay. So oops. Man, this is tough. Okay. Let's come over here then. No, won't do it. Ah! Why did it do that? Okay. Okay. Let's go home. Ah, ha, 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 ha. What have I done? Okay. 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 Now we'll save that. And then if I do this. Okay. Okay, hopefully this does something for it. Okay. Here we go. If you're wondering what happened, the demo just expired. So I gotta get these full ones if I want to play with it anymore, but that's because it expired in no time. So that's gonna be the next project. Let's see if I pull it up. We're gonna actually listen to it. So I'm probably gonna do another mix just with this repaired taiko, but that's been an introduction to the Orchestral Essentials. Is it? Let's pull it up again. Symphony Essentials. Symphony Essentials. String Ensemble. Part of the Symphony Essentials instrument from Native Instruments. So, yeah, I like it. I'm looking forward to playing with it some more. And seeing where it goes. Alright, Merry Christmas.